Merge sort is a sorting algorithm that uses the divide, conquer, and combine algorithmic paradigm. Divide. Divide means partitioning the n-element array to be sorted into two subarrays of n/2 elements. If A is an array containing 0 or 1 element, then it is already sorted. However, if there are more elements in the array, divide A into two subarrays, A1 and A2, each containing about half of the elements of A. Conquer. Conquer means sorting the two subarrays recursively using merge sort. Combine. Combine means merging the two sorted subarrays of size n divide by 2 to produce the sorted array of n elements. The basic steps of a merge sort algorithm are as follows. If the array is of length 0 or 1, then it is already sorted. Otherwise, divide the unsorted array into two subarrays of about half the size. Use merge sort algorithm recursively to sort each subarray. Merge the two subarrays to form a single sorted list. Let us now look at the algorithm of merge sort. Here we first divide the unsorted array into two subarrays of about half the size. Then we call merge sort algorithm recursively to sort the left subarray first. And then call merge sort algorithm recursively to sort the right subarray. Then we call merge algorithm to merge the two subarrays to form a single sorted list. Now let us look at the merge algorithm, which is the most important part of this sorting algorithm. This merge algorithm can be divided into three parts. First, create temporary arrays and copy data into temporary arrays, L and R. Second, merge the temporary arrays back into ARR. Third, copy the remaining elements of L and R if there are any. Let us now try to understand how merge sort algorithm sorts an unsorted array. Here we can see that there are 7 elements in the array, and the index starts from 0 to 6. When we call the merge sort algo, for the very first time we divide the unsorted array into two subarrays, getting m equal to 3. As you can see on the screen, the array is divided into two sub-arrays left and right. Now we again call merge sort for the left subarray, which will again divide the left subarray into two halves. Both halves contains 2 elements. Merge sort will be again called for left subarray with 2 elements, dividing it again into 2 halves each containing 1 element. Merge sort will be called for left subarray with 1 element, but as the array is of length 1, it's already sorted. Now since we cannot divide further, merge algorithm will be called, which after creating a new array, places the 2 elements in a sorted form into the new array. Left subarray is completed. Merge sort will now be called for the right subarray with 2 elements. The merge sort will be called recursively until the array is of length 1. And then merge algorithm will create a new array and places the 2 elements in a sorted form into the new array. Right subarray is also completed. Merge algorithm will now merge the 2 subarrays and creates a new array of 4 sorted elements. The left subarray, containing 3, 27, 30 and 43, is now sorted. The merge sort algorithm now moves on to the right subarray, containing 9, 82, 10. On this array the merge sort is called and divides the subarray until array is of length 1. The merge algorithm will now merge the divided elements in a sorted form. Finally, the merge algorithm will be called, which will merge the 2 subarrays.
Please comment below if you want a more deep understanding of how the merge algorithm works. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updates.